going to put a stop to this type of line that put words in my mouth that I never said when the transcripts are in black and white.
Zithe zisuka nje ebhandeni uKoko wakhahlela ngazo zombili okwashiwo ngwayengumvikeli womphakathi ngoBrian Molefe.
uMatshela has created a story that says Mr. Molefe was brought to eSkom to terminate the cooperation agreement and force Optimum into conditions of hardship. Mr. Seleka continues with the storyline, which is false and not backed up by documents.
Lofakaza uchazele isicaba ukuthi kungani engazange azayibhale phansi inkulumo ayithi kuyona iOptimum ibesabisa ngokutshela owabe liphini likamengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa.
I said to you, I told Mr. Rapella that Optimum keeps on threatening us with Mr. Ramaphosa. He then said he summarized what we discussed. And he then said to me, I must put it in writing. I said to him, no, Chief.
You want to remain factual?
I want to remain factual.
uKoko owasebenzela iEskom iminyaka ecele emashumi-25 ubengeneme ngendlela ithimba labameli besigcawu elisebenza ngayo.
I'm beginning not to like this chair. Mr. Seleka has done it many times, putting words in my mouth, and I've referred you in particular to the transcripts. You can see today I'm not in a good mood.
uMatshela Koko ukhale ngokuthi abanye ofakaza abasuke beze kulesicawu bayatshelwa ukuthi bafike bathini.
I've constantly told you that your legal team and your investigating people are coaching these weaknesses to the extent that they come here and say, this is not me. I did not write this. And nothing happens.
Le mayini yamalahle yake yaba undaba mlonyeni ngemuva kokuthi owabe umvikeli womphakathi usolwazi uthula imadonsela akhipha umbiko ochaza kabanzi ukuthi iGlencoe yafakwa kanjani ingcindezi ekutheni idayisa iOptimum coal mine idayisele inkampani yamene nomndeni wakwaGupta iThegeta. Ngaleso sikhathi iThegeta engenayo imali yokuba ithenge iOptimum coal mine, kanti imbiko ithi kwagcina ngokuthi udokotela uBen Ngubane kanye naye uMatshela Koko bangenelele. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa waqokwa njengosihlalo weOptimum coal mine ngo-2012 nokwenza ukuthi abantu abaningi bashaye amakhala ngakho. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.